traveler. Welcome to the Copper Spoon. I was just about to get started on a batch of homemade bagels. I have some family visiting in town, and I figured it would be the perfect thing for them to have around for breakfast. If you hang out with me while I make them, I'll even give you the first bagel fresh from the oven to try. I hope you enjoy.
Pre-order the Copper Spoon Chronicles now on Amazon, Barnes & Noble, or anywhere you buy books.